Keblai pibro teha kene ke video ke bamta ngan pentip syapi yaki kubur lekam balapan me daka Office of the State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan Shillong. Te sape ja kene ke video hadu bandakut kenang bapin suthu benya akwede ibat kene ki post kumno bapin apply ya kene ki post. Tementang ini page no ya ka advertisement balapan me daka Office of the State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan Shillong. Applications are invited in standard form of application for the following different contractual posts under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan and NIPUN Bharat Scheme State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya. Tiga kini kipus bapila ban apply pat ka qualification kan sedang nadu ka bachelor akan do ka stream bat postgraduate sajrong bapila ban apply. Tingin pegno yaki position banikong kadai financial consultant minimum qualification with experience on the position from state of or central finance and account department with sufficient accounting background and holding analogous post or retired financial advisory advice under state, central government, semi-government, public undertaking, tang kibaladep yaka deputation jong ka state kiyo ban apply. Number of posts iway ka age retired candidate may apply subject for to fulfillment of criteria and are not surpassing the age of 70 year. Tena kamta ki retired candidate ru kila ban apply but kim day bantam yaka nyupo snem sajrong kibah kwa ban apply. Kapus baar finance and account office. Kami minimum qualification kadai kumjo bat kete haneng nata kapus balai iwe kasnem na kamta kinne ru kitu kibala retired ru kila ban apply tang bakim day bantam yaka nyupo snem sajrong. Katulap kadai sau hajar haka si benai. Nangta kapus balai junior assistant. A minimum qualification with experience kadai bachelor in commerce from recognized university under state, central, semi-government, public undertaking with a minimum of 5 year or above experience. Kapus balai light likipus nangta kasnem upper age limit hadu life earnem on the first day of the year of the advertisement. However, relaxation of 5 year for the SC candidate and 3 year relaxation for the OBC candidate should be applicable. Tikas name hadu life first name but kandon ru ka age relaxation hadu sans name nakamanta ki SC candidate but last name yaki OBC candidate. Ka salari kedai arus perhajar newspa sanpau haka si benai. Kapus basau monitor and evaluation specialist. The minimum qualification bachelor degree in a related field. But kumjo ki subject kum ka statistic, economic, research method, research design, research administration with minimum of at least 5 year experience in the field of research evaluation, monitoring and development on government of India projects. Advanced computer skill are compulsory. Kapus balat iwe kasnem kadai kumjo hadu life earnem bat ka age relaxation hadu sansnem bat ki candidate kibala retire ru kila ban apply bat kim day bantam ya ka new pau snem sajrong ka fix salary na kamta kini kapus sau pau hajar haka sibenai nangta kapus basan research assistant ka qualification pidai ban pendep ka postgraduate lane MED bat arsnem ka experience bat kidai bandon ru ka jing tip siapang ki komputer. Kasnem kadai life ar bat ka age relaxation sansnem ka fix salary kadai life pusan hajar haka si benai. Bahan rew social media manager ka qualification pat pidai ban pendep ya ka bachelor degree haka communication lane media lane laisnem haka work experience kum media manager bat pidai banang kumno bansena konten haka bedai siapang ki press social media website bat kiwe ki distribution channel. Kapus balat iway kasnem ru hadu live asnem bat ka age relaxation sansnem. Ka fix lari pat ka day life fan hajar haka shibnai. Kapus bahan rew data analyst. Ka qualification part pede ban pende beka bachelor degree in business administration, computer application science with honors in statistics, computer science, information technology with either 50% mark in graduation but 100% mark haka higher school with minimum of at least 2 year experience but pidei bandon kajengtip sepang ki komputer kum ka MS Word, PowerPoint bat Excel. Kapus balaj arteli nangta kasnem kadai hadu live asnem bat ka age relaxation sasnem papia ban apply. Ka fix salary kadai arp sahajar arspa haka sibanai. Teki kandidat ki balong eligible but interest yakin kipus pihak banlek submit yaki dokumen ki jong pi offline but pi hab ban apply daka standard form te pihak ban penbiang ki jingun kam baro hakapor bapilek submit kenang bakan sok ya pi kum kadur ka certificate marksheet but giveaway ki experience Badia ki dokumen pihak ban submit haka State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan kabadon ha Shillong hadu ka arp santarik Oktober arajar arpusau. Badia ki dokumen ki jong pi pat pihak ban le self attested telada pikwa ban pule bahaya ki dokumen ya ka advertisement ya ka website ngan sabu apok ka description below nang bapinio page kambene hakabedai bat kine kipus bat kumjo yaki qualification bat kiwe ki jingtun kam tetang kine ki jingpun tip hakabedai bat kine kamlai sibon.